18 divided by 3 over 4 times 4. 4 into here will give us 1. 4 into here will give us 1. Then we are left with 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3 will give us 6. 6 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not solve division first before multiplication. Division and multiplication have equal priorities, so we have to work from our left to our right, which is we have to solve our division first before solving our multiplication in order to arrive in a correct answer. Let's solve the right answer. First of all, we solve our 18 divided by 3 over 4. Then we apply the rule of KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 18, then change our division to multiplication, then flip 3 over 4 to 4 over 3 times 4. 3 into here will give us 6. 3 into here will give us 1. Then we are left with 6 times 4. 6 times 4 will give us 24. Then we have 24 times, which is this 4 over here. 24 times 4 will give us 96. 96 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.